Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will revise set and linear inequalities. Okay, we know that for this topic, it will contribute 3 marks in SPM. It means that either one of the chapter that is set or linear inequalities will be asked in SPM paper 2, 3 marks. Okay, so let's start. As I told you just now, either one of the chapters, either set or linear inequalities will contribute 3 marks in SPM paper 2. Okay, so we do revision for set first. Okay, firstly, the symbol. This one is intersection, union, subset, universal set, empty set. Is a member of NA means that number of elements in set A. A prime means the complement of set A. Okay. Now operations on set A intersect B. A intersect B. This is the intersection. A union B means that the whole A combined with the whole B. Okay. And P intersect Q, we get this one. Union with R, the whole R. So we get the diagram like this. Okay. This one, A intersect B, we will get the intersection here. And then union C. Union C, the whole C. Yeah? So make sure that you can show all the region like this. Okay, now P intersect Q means that P intersect Q is this one. But intersect with R prime. R prime is outside R, so cannot with R. So the shaded region is here. Now we look at the sample question here. And now this is the information that given to you. Okay, we know that the set is K union L union M, and the number of complement of K equals the number of L intersect M. Okay, firstly we find out the number of K prime first. K prime is the outside K is 2 at 2. So 2 plus 8 plus 2 equals to 12. Now we want to find out the number of L intersect M. L intersect M means that the intersection here is A minus 2 plus 8. So we simplify it, we get A plus 6. And from the questions here, we know that A plus 6 must equals to 12. Okay. Lastly, we find out the value of A equals to 12 minus 6 equals to 6. Okay. Now, let us check the set. Okay, firstly, we label each part with a Roman number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. After we label it, we identify the shaded region. Okay. The shaded region here, we do it step by step. Okay, let us see. A Roman number is 2, 3, 4. So we write down 2, 3, 4. Intersection, we write down intersection. B, now we refer to B. B now is B, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Union, we follow union. C, we look at C now is 4 and 5. So 4 and 5. Okay. Intersection means that we want to find out the common number here. Okay. Now we know that We know that this one 2, 3, 4 intersect with 3, 4, 5, 6. The common number is 3 and 4. So we write down 3 and 4. Union 4 and 5. Just write down union 4 and 5. So union means that this one combined with this one. But we know that 4 have 2 of the 4 here are the same, right? So we just write down once. So the answer is 3, 4, 5. Okay. Lastly, we shade the region mark with 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we managed to get 3 marks. Okay, now class, you try to shade the region of following. Okay. We try to shade it and compare to my answer. See, can you get the correct answer or not? Okay. Still remember the steps. Number 1, you label the Roman number here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you try to shade it and see whether can you get this answer. Okay. Now I show you another one. Okay. The question wants us to find out P intersect Q. So we label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So P, we look at here. P is 1 and 2. So we write down 1 and 2. Intersection. Q. Now we look at Q is 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4. Intersection means that we find out the common number. Common number here is 2. So the answer is 2. Lastly, we shade the region 2. Okay. Now, if the question of set not common in SPN, so the question will be linear inequalities. So no questions for set means that question for linear inequalities will come out in SPM paper 2. So for this one, you need to shade the region that satisfies the inequalities. You need to know how to sketch a straight line, and you need to know how to apply y-intercept. Okay. Remember, less than or greater than is for dashed line, whereas less than or equals to, greater than or equals to is for solid line. Okay, so let us see the questions here. On the graph in the answer space, we want to shade the region which satisfies all 3 inequalities here. Okay, so we can use the pencil to put on the inequalities, to put on the equation here. So very clear, right? You will get the answer directly. Okay, let's see this question. Shade the region that satisfies the 3 inequalities here. Okay, we know that this one, equation of this one is here. This equation is here. So means that we lack of the line y equals to 8. Y equals to 8 means that is the horizontal line that passes through 8. So now, where is 8? Okay, from this one, we know that this is y-intercept. If y-intercept equals to, if y-intercept means that x must be equals to 0. So x equals to 0, we substitute here, we will get y equals to 8. So this point actually is 8. So we draw a horizontal line pass through 8 here. But remember that this one is less than, so we draw a dashed line. So you will get the full marks. I shade the region here. But if you draw by using the full line, you will get less marks because this one less than must be dashed line. Okay. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.